check. شو خط خط.
Yep. It's coming through. Let me see, actually.
Let's get the
Wait, I don't know if your voice is coming through.
check. How would it not be?
I hear it. It's a little muffled sounding.
It's muffled.
Maybe my volumes. Could be my volume.
We need the both of jazz.
There it is, I hear it.
Is it too loud?
I would turn it down just a little bit. That's good.
I didn't even do anything. Oh wait, yes I did. We're looking for shorts in here.
Let's see. It's taking out that low.
The only thing is it's in this fucking BPR. But it's rejecting from this order block here. Like what are we gonna do here? Is it better? Let's see. Yeah, by higher time frame it's showing. Sweep wants to take this out. This is a nasty drop.
Look at that. Look at those inefficiencies to the left, too.
Only thing, I still want to take the short, but it's in this Sibby. I don't like doing that. But what it did was like, so it tapped, it swept this liquidity up here and tapped into this order block and completely rejected. It's probably in a few minutes, whenever this time is going to inverse this 15-minute.
Let me see.
It swept this high and it's,
Already inverted one.
well, it's not closed yet. So like, you need how many more minutes? You need 10 more minutes after this. 10 more 1 minute candles. It's in this inefficient. It's in this BPR. But I'm thinking we go lower because number one, I mean, this is getting mutilated.
Check out that 4-hour inversion, too.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to stab it. I'm going to stab it and trail if I get in. It's so far. I didn't know you can just set this up, click it, place order. I just do risk 1%. Boom. Hit it.
All right, let's see how it plays out.
Oh, we got tipped. Wow, we got tagged in by a. Wow, I gotta be careful with these entries because I sometimes. Oh man, look at this.
Wow.
Papa Crisp is on the way.
Come on. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
I'm trimming half here. I'm trimming half.
The backtesting. You got the backtesting down.
I'm trimming half.
Hold on. Bring the stop down.
Oh, I am. I'm trying to figure out where. I'm thinking this breaker here.
You're no Jimmy break even now.
I want to trim more. I mean, this is what? This is almost 2R. I'm trimming more.
Trim another 15%.
I'm doing 25 of this.
That's nice. That's beautiful. Boom. Here it goes. Ready? Wow. That's perfect.
I mean,
You gotta get a better entry.
you know what it is though? I don't know if I gotta. Well, no, because the AM is different. That's the thing. It's different. But at least me, like I'm looking at it like completely different. I'm not even necessarily like looking for like sweeps. I'm looking for like
Breakthroughs.
where's the next, well, for entries, but like where's the next draw, and like for it to be in like a area of like a 15-minute at least interest. So like for this one, hold on, side. I think it was the daily too. It went, yeah, this is what I seen. It wicked into this fair value gap. Remember I wanted it to come in here? Came in there and it started rejecting crazy. So that's why I'm like, okay. Now let's see what's going on in the 4 hour. There's that big ass rejection. Inversion. Problem is, you were in a discount, but even the farther you go down, it just got mutilated. I mean, it could have came up into here. But the only reason why I went short is because on the 15-minute, it swept this internal liquidity, started respecting this order block, and inverted this 15-minute. And then from that inversion, you have this 1-minute breaker. So I was like, you know what? I'm stabbing it. Did you see where I put my limit?
It was like
Right here.
It probably ticked you in.
But what it did was, yeah, it did. What it did was, it touched the bottom of this 15-minute inversion. And then it couldn't even get in.
You see that little volume imbalance on the 1 minute?
Yes. That's actually why I did it. Because I was like, it's probably going to wick through. But I kind of wish I went a little lower because I would have. That was way too close. I mean, that was a perfect trade. And it melted. And then what was nice was about it too is, so like, okay, boom. Everything from higher time frames telling me lower. Got that push up into the 15-minute order block. Sweep of this high. Inversion of this 15-minute. Then you go to the 1 minute. Here's the inversion. Now, okay, boom, perfect. Here's my breaker, unicorn, entry, stop above the breaker, and then look on the 1 minute. What do we have here? Equal lows I was targeting. I just targeted this one right here.
And look where it just reached.
It's like a pool. It's the pool of them.
It reached that. It probably reached that bottom one too.
Yep.
Wow. I mean, that's textbook ICT right there.
Next. Next. What was that, a Friday? No. What is this? Next silver bullet. Alright. Hold on, Sai. Okay. Oh man, we got butter down here too. Oh, what is this? Hold on.
Time frame here.
See the daily, it's in that yep, in that fair value gap. Tapped in. So let's mark that out. Four-hour. Oof. Man, this might even go. I know it's in the daily fair value gap. I think it's gonna look at this. Wick up in. I think this is gonna floor down to the midpoint. Because it just look like up, like what is this? Just boom. Poopy stick. Yeah, look at this hourly. That's ugly. Respected this order block. And then shit its pants. 15-minute. Oh man, this is scary right here. This is all butter.
It's catastrophic.
I think this is gonna all get ran out and go to the midpoint. Unless it respects it and then sends higher to then go lower. Higher in this range here. It could like come up here and then die. But it failed to kind of already. I mean, I'm going lower. Oh God. Okay, so we have this 15-minute. We
just
rejected from the midpoint of this volume imbalance. Oof, this is really ugly. 15-minute here. Also, this is smooth up here. What is this? This looks scary. Mark that up. Because on the lower time frame, that's equal highs. Yeah. So we'll see. I mean, it tapped into this 5-minute and is rejecting. Or 15-minute fair value gap. So far, you got a closure below it. Let's see. Okay. I don't mind this. Go ahead. Go to that run right to the fucking... Yep, it's going to take out. It's going to go to that 15-minute. I'm not long in though. You could around here though. Let's see if it would be right.
good point.
Yep, I said you could around here. And I was right. Look, here. I want to do it. Because I would have just done it now. But that's nice.
Well, look, you have the inversions to the left. You have the push above the midpoint. You have the return to it within the fair value gap.
Yeah, but you could even have gotten scared saying like, oh, it inverted this, but look at this retracement. But I honestly wouldn't because of all these inefficiencies. Tapped right here. Look, body's right at the midpoint of this 15-minute, even on the 1-minute. Bink, straight up. Now, it's at this 15-minute. What's it going to do here? What is it going to do here? Because this is very buttery. Can we get a little quick short? Wow, look at this rip. That daily fair value gap is what's propelling it. Look at it. Wow. There's your first market structure shift. Let's see what happens. Okay, little downside play. Let's see here. See what's going on. 15-minute. Massive fair value gap now. Holy shit. I would look to short it into here. That's all I'm doing. Wow, this fair value gap is no fucking joke. This looks strong now. Maybe now it's gonna start to fly. Yep, from this daily. And now we might see there's no real short entry. Plus I would want to get out in the 15 minutes. Pretty close. Okay, there we go. We're in it. Man, this year is fucking nice. Ooh. Inversion. Wow. This thing is gone out of here. Yep, send it to the high. It's too high up there to long, but it's going to AM high. You could probably get an entry in this breaker here. Because I think now, okay, it wicked into this 15 minute. Look at this reaction. It shouldn't go back down. It should just take this high out. It shouldn't after tapping into it like this and where it's at, what it's doing right now, it should not. I don't think it should break back down. I don't think so. This is it on the 1 minute. This is that 15 minute. Here's the tap into it. Here's the launch. This is very bullish now. So now what if we did a little something like this? Where's that high? I mean, am I crazy or what?
That's all you need.
It is a little scary here with these 1 minutes. Is it gonna want to take this out real quick? Scam. But you see what I mean? Like you see this tap in it and then this move up.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna come back down into here or just straight up to here? This is the 15 minute. The problem is it's in a premium. So it could even be more ideal to wait for it to take this high out. Maybe into this fair value gap here. And then short back into this 15 minute.
I would give it a go. Let's
Really? Give it a rip? It's in a premium though. It's kind of what I don't really like. Like it's way up there.
I think that draws that high though.
Okay, you know what? Let's see. I'll do it like this. If it comes down to here, that's kind of what makes it the R&R like respectable. Also, that'd be a big drop. Okay, there you go.
I like that structure.
Oh, stopped. No, I kind of had a feeling. Okay, go back into the 15 minute, maybe. Okay, yep, back into the 15 minute. Okay. Now, I would still look for longs. This is the better spot.
Where's the midpoint of this thing?
You see it.
Oof.
Okay, dig in, dig in.
Yep.
Oh, this is 3 something though. Okay, we'll see. Hold on.
There's another dig.
Wow. Yeah, now I'm out.
Through it. Through it.
Yeah, look at that back and forth. Yeah, I mean, there's a lesson for you. It's a little too high in the premium there. You could have though, and I was thinking about it. When I got tagged, and you got like a nice little reaction, just go like break even because you're more in the premium.
It's a lot easier to manage the risk that way too, because it's like, okay, I'm gonna give this a try.
Yeah.
Or you potentially have a smaller draw.
But it was in the premium. I gotta avoid it. I gotta avoid that. Okay. Gotta avoid that. Avoid the.
So
Gotta avoid that. 1, 2, 3. All right. Where are we at? Okay, now we're in the premium.
wow.
What did it do? Just let's see it on the 15. Wow, very ugly. Sort of. I mean, this was getting asked for it. This was asking for it right here. Okay, I like this. I'm liking this for some shorts. Hold on, Dario's calling me. Let's see what he wants.
Hey, boy, you cooking?
Smart. I'm backtesting trading right now.
What you said?
I'm backtesting trading right now.
Oh, how's that going?
Fire.
Good, bro.
You don't even know back. You don't even know.
I'm to work now,
Uh huh.
and then
When are you done?
9:30, 9:45. I'm gonna shower, then I'll be over. So probably like 10:30 latest. I'll be at your house.
All right.
And then yeah, tomorrow I have actually a meeting with Ikra in the morning, and I'm gonna talk to him again about it, and then I'm gonna drive straight to PA and go grab the new shit.
I might have to pull up with you there.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Because also one of my, I don't know if it's my, nah, because I've had that Pro Mist filter on it like since I got it. I don't even take it off. So I think there's like a scratch or something on my Pro Mist filter. I hope it's not my camera sensor. I think it's on the Pro Mist filter because when I record, like you remember them glares I was talking about? There's a scratch that's doing that. I don't know how to even really fix that. They probably can.
Yeah, you should just come with me then.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Yeah, so I'll just like pick you up or whatever, and then we'll probably go like around 11:30 latest.
To the store?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I slid up on Liv's store today.
No, you didn't. What'd you say? You don't want to wait.
No, I didn't say anything. Like, she posted Kiwi. I just like, I just said that dog's the best, and she liked my message. Just a little here and there, you know, so keep her in her mind a little bit. But that's it. I'm not signing him again. I'm gonna wait till I see her.
It's smart. She only liked it. I mean, it's not good.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's all right.
The first time though, she don't want to be left on red again. No, I'm kidding. But yeah. So. But yeah, I'm fucking hyped for tomorrow. And then, dude, if you have anything to trade in that you don't use or you don't want, just bring it just in case. See what you can get for it. You know what I mean? Make some money.
You're on to something.
Yeah, I don't know like what you got, but you got a bunch of shit. So.
I got the anamorphic and I got the first thing. I want to definitely get rid of that 70 to 300 that I have. The Tamarin. It's like,
Oh yeah. Okay.
I don't need that. Plus, it's
You know
like,
what you got that for?
no, I don't remember.
But over
No, I don't think so.
And what about the anamorphic?
That was like, it was over $1,000. I think it was between $1,000 and $1,500.
Yeah, like if you can get like.
Yo, the thing is with that though, bro, we could make. We just have to use that with a monitor, but like we could make like really fire shit with that.
Yeah. We really could.
Nah, because it's like, bro, it's got that hard, them black bar shits you like, that ratio that you like, that skinny long ratio. It has that because it's anamorphic. That's what, when people put the black bars on the top and the bottom, it's to emulate an anamorphic lens.
Yeah.
So like, we could do some fire with it. It's just manual focus and there's no image stabilization, which is fine. We'll put it on a gimbal.
Yeah.
But then you just got to actually know if you put it on a gimbal, you're not going to be able to. You just hold it and you got to do the focus yourself. But I don't know. I would get rid of that thing too. But it is fire.
Yeah, I mean, we can keep it. It's up to you. It's your shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, like, if you have anything, you just never know. They might throw you a price if you like it, you know?
Yep.
Mom, see you later. Damn, turnout's it's kind of nice out right now. Like, muggy, though. So, yeah. And then, like, I also, like, I look-key want to see what they got, because they got a lot of shit, like, to rig out the camera, you know? Tomorrow. Like, that's not my first priority, but, like, I'm just saying, like, there might be, like, a nice deal or something.
I mean, bro, honestly, like, if you have the money and you're going to need it anyway, you know?
Yeah, and there's no, like, sales tax on anything tomorrow, that's what I'm saying, so, like...
The whole store or just Sony? No, only Sony.
Only Sony.
That wouldn't make sense. Not the whole store.
Yeah, you're right. But, still.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And then, I need to, like, when I get this camera and put the lens on, you gotta, if you, like, I did this before, but maybe you can help me, bro, because I need to, like, rebalance the camera on the gimbal so it's, like, set, you know, so it saves us time. Like, when I just put it on, it'll be balanced.
Well, you kind of got to do that every time, unless you leave it on it.
Yeah.
It's not hard though. It's pretty easy.
Yeah. No, I know. I fucking... Like, I did it with my older camera, and then, like, I left it at that, like, same, like, spot, and it, like, I would just put on the camera and be pretty, like, balanced. You'd have to, like, adjust it very little.
Okay.
But, I mean, try it out tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, bet, bro. Then I'll call you when I'm done.
All right.
Alright, my boy.
Peace. He's getting the setup tomorrow, that kid.
What happened?
Dario. getting this A7 tomorrow.
Wait, what's tomorrow?
He's getting the A7 tomorrow.
Oh, come on.
I knew it. I mean, I'm still backtesting. I can't be stopped.
Too good, too good.
See if we can smack a 3-yard Jimmy Sputz here.
Let's okay, let me see. Saturday, Sunday. Get it back, get it smoky.
Sloeg het weg hier!
That's it, man.
I mean, I'm smacking a short right here.
You got it, you got it.
Alright, smart. Gonna get our entry. Missed me by a tick. Oh no, it didn't. Whoa, look at, whoa, expansion. Whoa, he got stopped.
It's alright.
There it is. Draw Meto still, motherfucker. I mean, the bias, I'm getting the bias right.
It's not good.
Next session. How many trades did we take on this? Okay. Damn, had the right idea, motherfucker. This is clean. شو خد فخد baby. شو خد فخد همشن عليه.
That's a good song.
شو خد فخد هدوالي. هشد فخد. I knew it was smart. Swept Asia, swept London in an hourly. I mean, this is buttery right here. This is buttery. شو خد فخد بي. شو خد فخد بي. Yep, this is a flip right here.
The new song.
This is a Jimmy flip. I mean, get me in, coach. It's a flip right here. This is a Jimmy flip. Oh, you got the 5-minute breaker in here? Hold on. Oh, man, I'm liking this. I would just long it right here. شو خد فخوة شو خد فخوة ده هلا شدوي. There's no fair value gap. This one is already taken. 3 minutes. Let's see the 3 minute. شو فخوة ده هلا. I mean, this is beautiful right here. I can't do the breaker with no fair value gap though. I need the fair value gap.
That's needed.
Oh, I just skipped an hour ahead. Motherfucker. fuck. Alright, whatever, we'll start it at 2. Draw was right. It's getting a little rejection from here.
Oh, I think that was a one song, I think.
This is holding here. Send it up. Whoa. شلوخي خمسة شخ خدفة. Give me in. Look at this 1 minute inversion excursion right here. شو خد فخوان baby. شو خد فخوان.
I actually do like that song.
This is an inversion excursion right here. What's going on here? This is poopy sauce price. This range scam delivery. They can't get me, I swear. Right into the breaker. On the 5 minute, let's see how it reacts here. This is poopy. Power hour. That could have been nice.
Let's test it. Oh man, look at that fair value gap right there in the 1 minute.
Well, I was looking at this breaker here, but I didn't like this low, shallow. I don't know.
You know, like,
This high didn't. I don't know. I was thinking about this one right here. Stop under here. I don't know though. I didn't pull it. Plus it was after 5. I mean after 3. I mean, I've been backtesting all day actually. It's insane.
it's a good practice. Oh, look at this move. What is this? We're on the minute. Oof.
This is this blue line was the top of this body of this order block. And look at how it started tapping it. Look at these bodies. Look at this.
Jeez.
I mean, the levels, I got the level. I mean, I see what's going on. I'm tuned in. That's super equal though. Like, let's come and take that out. All right, let's see here. Where are we at? Let's zoom back out on the daily. Oh man, this is not good. We might be going back to the take out this low here. Four hour. Oh man, this is ugly. This is gonna get ran out though. Let's mark that up because that's getting destroyed. By side.
You marked it?
I have to. Now you have this breaker on the hourly and this unicorn.
You
Ye-
still looking?
Yeah, and above. And above is in a discount again. I mean, it's very heavy, but this is way too smooth. $15-minute. Hourly. I mean, send it higher into this breaker here.
It's cooking. It's cooking right now?
Trying to figure out. I mean, it's in this order block. I feel like you get a nice pop from here.
Oof.
What?
What's this?
What are you looking at?
The short you just had up?
Yeah, yeah. Very ugly. But I think you could see a nice little pop from here.
Well, look, it's pre-traced fully down into that gap. It's a pretty significant discount.
Right.
What else do we have? Oh, man,
How does he mark up the order blocks, ICT?
that's actually a good question.
All right, let's see here. I'm looking for a long. Okay, right around consequent encroachment. There we go. That's nice. Let's see if we can get. See if we can get an entry. And what I could do is, I could do the whole leg here. This is what I want to target to. This right here is getting fucking wrecked one way or another. I mean, I know it is because the price is 13,857. I know it is eventually.
Actually, I think
From what I remember, I think the price is a little higher now. That's how I'm cheating.
man, here he goes. Look.
Nah,
Take out.
I'm fucking around. It is low though. The price NQ or MNQ on this backtesting 2022, the price is 13,921. All right, let's see here. Put in a low entry. Okay. Here might be the entry though. Where it is right now. Stop under the breaker. You know what I'm saying?
This is a good setup.
Did you see higher time frame now?
Yes.
In this order block, I mean, we're pretty bearish, but I mean, we're scalping here, number one. Number two, I feel like this is such a massive dump. Like right in this order block area, you're going to get a little pop up to clear some internal liquidity. That's all we're doing here. That's all we're doing here. I mean, this is live, too. They can see the backtesting.
Nobody's doing this.
This history right here. The thing is like, do I want my entry here? Or do I want to play it safe and just get it in here? And then put my stop under the breaker. You would want to see this BPR stay. This one kind of has, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't think you'd want it to come back into this first one. So maybe I'll try to do here. Stop under the breaker. Let's see. This is a big R. What R are we working with here? Oh, never mind. 2.27. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we're in. Beautiful expansion here. Let's take a pause. Let's see where we're at on the 5 minute. We got to be careful because we could reject from this order block. You know?
Let me see. Yes.
We could, but man, it's so extended lower, and this is such butter right here. This is way too clean, this. I don't think it's the time to trim.
Can't trim just yet.
Or even go break even. Nah, because it's going to fly right up there. Uh-oh. Oh, got stopped. Let's see. Is it going to respect this or is it going to take the low? No, it took the low. Damn. Wow. It did not want to take those smooth highs. That's crazy. It did reject from that 5 minute that I was talking about. I said it could reject there and it fucking did. Yeah, it did not want to. It just was a quick little rebalance on the 15 minute. It actually inversed that fair value gap. Little fake out, inversed there on the 15 and said, nope, doesn't matter, we're dumping. Let's see now. It's gonna take that low out. Now we look for longs. Let's see here. Let's see if we got any long opportunities. Want to see speed. Double sweep. Come on. We got S. I feel like there's probably SMT here. Whoa, what is this? Oh God.
1 hour. Damn.
This on S&P. This on S&P. So hold on. April 19th, 9 a.m. This is where it's in fair value gap. April 19th, 9 a.m. Oh yeah, there's major SMT. Wow. So this got swept. So 5 a.m. April 19th got swept. Let's see, ES. 9 a.m. or 5 a.m. April 19th. April 19th. Wow, that's this low. Look at how uncorrelated it is.
Let me see.
So this low right here.
Okay.
April 19th, 5 a.m. Untouched on S&P, on ES. Taken. Look at this SMT. Holy shit. Even this low was taken. What low is this? April 18th was taken. April 18th, 12 o'clock. Let's see that. April 18th. Oh yeah, that's not getting touched. All right. We're looking for reversals here. Anywhere here. This kind of could be one right here. I would have liked to see a double sweep though. I kind of want to put an entry in here, stop under this breaker. But are we going to get a double sweep? I'm scared. Hold on, sorry. Double sweep. Now we take out these highs. I mean, I got to get in here. Put me in, coach.
Let's see.
I would have loved a nice little double sweep here. Where's it at here? 5 minute. It is in a 5 minute downside. It is also in a 15 minute downside. Let's see if we get a double sweep. Well, we're not going to enter yet. Yes, you did.
Wow, okay.
I knew it.
Hold on, pause.
Something was telling me. I knew it. Also because we were in this 15 minute downside and yeah, you didn't get the double sweep yet. Now let's keep looking. Yeah, this is dust now. Now it's past 3. Just sending it down. All right, next. I mean, I can't stop. When was this? This crazy dump? Like 2022. It was really like this? Oh yeah, because of COVID, right? Or no, that was 2020. Wait, and you're telling me in 2020 we were in the 10,000s?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, this was COVID?
Well, in March. Yep.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait, this is NASDAQ? This is...
Yeah.
Bro, it got down to 6,000?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. I mean, whoever bought stocks there is just like... And you didn't even really need to be a genius to do that. You could have been like, oh yeah, this is a crazy overreaction that everyone's going to be fine. Like, it's not going to be that big of a deal. I'm buying here.
Yep.
and then you hold it a few years later. I mean, well, like 5 years later. Oh my God. Imagine you had a what's the longest options you can do?
I think 2 years.
Imagine having the longest dated options. You would be, and you put like a rack.
Oh my goodness.
You would be, or even someone like that's got bread, like, oh, I'm gonna do $5,000. Oh my God. I mean, they'd be moving slow at first, but they would start to pick up. Holy shit. Where is this going? It just filled this imbalance completely. I did have that feeling it was going to go deeper into that daily. I mean, this is garbage.
Jeez.
Catastrophic.
This is overreaction.
I mean, what was this from 2022? What happened there?
Oh.
Oh man, it's going to take this low out here. Holy shluchas. We are in the middle of this order block and we feel the inefficiency. You're going to get a reaction here. You're going to get a big reaction. شو خبي وشهبي بيخلو خدوة على شبيه خدوة يا Alright.
Where do we sweep on this?
What is it?
15 minutes. No, I'm watching yours.
I mean, he's backtesting.
He's on fire.
What are we gonna do here? Let's click the hour. Alright, so hold on, let's see. Daily, we're in the middle of this order block. Filled up gap. Probably gonna get like a little spike through it or something. 4 hour. Sweep this low for sure.
Backtester.
So we have this 15-minute that it seems like we're about to inverse.
What is it called?
Here we go. Turn that shit into a breaker. No fair value gap though. Back into this 15-minute. Did it invert it
Oh, it's
yet?
in the gap. It's in the gap.
Well, it didn't invert it yet. It's gonna close at 30. So let's see. Let's wait for the 30. No inversion.
Oh.
Actually, pretty strong rejection. This is a short.
Version short. Double sweep.
Told you. It's just too low to short. Like look at it. Look at where it is. Where are you shorting it to? Look at like for this. Like where are you shorting it? This is the daily. Like you know what I mean? Like, the fuck you go to short this thing to? Here's the 4 hour. I mean, I guess you can start like, oh, there's fair value gap, but I don't know.
I mean, it could.
Yeah, not that it won't, but it's also in a breaker here. Right now, this is a breaker. This 4 hour. Let's see what it does. It might fucking fly from here. Power hour fly right at the breaker. Come on, double sweep. Oh man, this is magical right here. This is magical. I think this might be the long right here.
Now it's a long.
Now, because I said it's going to propel from that breaker. Look, it's fucking standing straight up.
Yep.
Now, this is the better breaker too right here.
Where are you going? Close by?
Yeah.
Call me after.
I'll just take a little 2R right here too. I don't even need no green.
I mean, come on, this is too hard. That's enough. That was enough. That bottom move.
Yeah. Where's the next 15-minute? Let's see. Okay, where are we at on the 1 minute? When is this 15-minute gonna
I mean, I
close?
need to get funded. This is ridiculous.
It closes in 1 minute. So this guy, yeah, this good. Yeah, take out the high. Thank you very much. Put in the trade. Put me in. I'm ready.
I mean, I need to get funded.
Oh yeah, this is about to fly.
Send it.
I might go break even here.
Yep.
Break even, you think?
There's always zero reason for it to come back down there. Look at him. He's crushing it. Let's go. Take hit. I just watched it late. It came in.
I mean, we're up 4,200.
I blew too many evals. It's not good.
I mean, I don't care. I blew 6.
I think I probably blew about 20.
It's all right. I'm not tripping.
Okay, 20 evals. Just a quick 1,000 on evals. It's alright.
20 evals?
Nah, I don't know how many, but probably like 7, 8.
Really?
Probably.
How?
Because the problem is, like, I'll find setups, and then sometimes I'm like, I just want to hit the fucking 3,000.
What do you? Why? So you're over leveraging
Pretty much.
on the eval?
Yeah.
You can't do it.
No, I gotta just treat it like it would be the real thing.
I mean, it makes sense though to be more aggressive with the eval, but not like too crazy. Like I think like 4 or 5, like 400, 500 risk on the eval is.
500 to 500
Like four.
It's just like it's
Even
like,
what were you? What are you risking? Like 800? Man's risking 1,000.
Are we getting aggressive?
Nah, you can't do it.
Nah, I gotta keep it because usually like on my fundeds, like I manage risk good. Just like the last week is what cooked me, where all the days were great, and then the following 2 days I got smoked even more. So,
You still have the eval?
yeah, I have it. I have it.
Smart.
I just gotta get, because now the minimum trading days I just realized on the eval is 2.
I mean, it's smart to be a little more aggressive with the evals, but you don't want to like. I feel like around 400 is good.
Yeah, 400 I think is very solid.
I just double the the regular risk if it was funded, which is 200. So 400.
I like that. I like that.
The evals is like whatever. Like it's just the fun. Like even if you blow eval, it's like okay. But like the fun, and it's like once.
Them shits can add up.
Yeah.
Because it's like 50, 50, 50. It's like, whoa.
Yeah, 1050s is 500.
We should have went with Top Step from the beginning. That fucking Brave Funded thing.
Yeah, Bright Funded. I mean, they don't have the 3 minute. It's all right. What's crazy is even one $2,000 payout destroys those losses. I had a regular Top Step eval. I'm completely lost. I don't know if it because I think I was up on it like a good amount and then I was down. And yesterday I hit that nice ass short and I just got on that one, I got stopped break even. On my other ones it went like it didn't hit my stop. And I don't know how the account is going. Like I'm trying to figure it out. Like it says I hit the I have no idea. I have no idea how it was going. I'm like still trying to figure it out.
Maybe you had one of those limits in.
No, because I looked like that's what I thought. I was like it had to be that. But number one, I remember closing them because I had a limit and I closed it. It wasn't that. I don't know. I don't know. I'm like where? How is this account?
Come on. Yo, I still haven't gotten an email from fucking First Dibs, man. Holy shit.
Smart.
I just gotta keep cranking out. Gotta keep cranking out resumes just in case. I mean, what the fuck, man? Come on. I'm ready.
Smart. I mean, I might have one more back test in me. I've been doing this all day.
What are we at here? 4 hours?
I mean, he's going heavy risk with the evals.
We're going heavy risk.
It's not good.
It's not good. It's not good. I gotta study. I study ICT all weekend.
Here's the thing, like we know the concepts. I think like just like back test the session and then like refine it.
Yeah, I wanna test a little bit of this first presented.
Because like these profitable traders, like they back tested a lot. Like I back tested, but like not that much. So I was like, I already knew. I was like, that's not good. I need to back test way more to where I'm like clearly crushing it.
That's right.
And then just be smarter with the trades. Like you gotta be like more picky with the trades.
Yeah, I think that's it. Maybe also like waiting for the right setup.
You gotta be super patient. You gotta be like on beast mode with this shit. Like very patient, wait for the high probability. If something's like throwing you off because of this, like don't do it. Like just you gotta treat it. That's how. If not, the market's gonna destroy you.
I mean, I'm fucking doing this shit. There's no other way. There's no other way. I gotta figure it out.
Yeah, I mean,
I gotta pull it. I spent so much time on it, and it's mad interesting. Like, I gotta do it.
yeah, I mean, you're gonna do it. You just have to like, even with me, like, focus more on mitigating like bullshit trades. Like, don't make sure everything is like system. Okay, where are we at? 4 hour, 15. Where are we at on the premium of this range, or premium discount of this range, or of this range? Where's the next draw? Is it in a fit? Like being aware of everything and only kind of like saying like, okay, I want to take a long, but I only want to take a long if it gets to this 15-minute SIBI and then flips a breaker, like having like a system.
Yeah.
It's got to be like,
I think the breakers and unicorns, I mean, because they happen actually a good amount.
they do.
For like that.
That's what I've been doing with this. I haven't taken one inversion with this backtesting. I'm like, I'm not going to do inversions. I'm going to do only breakers. I'm going to read the chart, figure out where it's going, wait for a certain 15-minute PD arrays, wait for the breaker flip. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. And then a lot of the times if I don't get it, I just don't get a trade, so I don't take a loss.
I mean, that's a buying way.
Because you can have the right idea, but if you're taking like too many trades or not like the best idea, then it's like you're going to get sloshed around. Because it's like you think like, oh, it's going to take out this high, so you want to get involved. But right below is a 15-minute fair value gap that you're ignoring. It could just tap into that first and then go. So it's like waiting for like the alignment.
It's also, you know, one thing that's, I mean, you were saying like you don't even have to necessarily look for liquidity, but like the setups ring true when there are some good liquidity sweeps.
Who said you don't got to look for the liquidity?
Well,
Oh.
Like when you were testing, you're like, you weren't necessarily looking for like massive.
I'm not looking for like Asian London highs to be like sweeped in particular. I'm like looking at like, where do I think it's going to go? Where is it at? Is it at a premium and discount of what time frame, what range? Where, like, especially hour and 15, where is it at on there? Where's that next draw? If my bias is like higher, is it smarter for me to wait for a lower PD array? Do I think it's going to get in that PD array? 13. Oh, it skipped. Fuck. And it's just like, really, it's just like the patience. Like, it's got to be mad patient.
Damn, I'm on the 5-minute drawing out like, well, this isn't in a clear uptrend, but drawing out the down close candles before the up moves. Like, you gotta see how it respects just the midpoint of it. 5-minute right to the midpoint, this one. 5-minute right below midpoint, boom. I mean, he's a cook up genius.
See what we got here.
Cook up genius. He's a cook up genius.
Where's the draw here? Tap into this 4 hour. Ew, that's fucking ugly. What is that? What the fuck? I mean, that's why I'm backtesting. I've been getting wrecked in the AM. And like, not as...
AM has been a little shaky. AM shaky.
This better be my last one. I don't know. Nothing about this is...
He's being very strict.
I mean, they all say too, Brian was saying it the other time, he's like, the more time, he's like, I know the more I click the button, the more I'm gonna like fuck up my P&L. You gotta wait, you gotta have that idea and wait for it. Say, okay, I'm looking for longs, I want it to come into this 15-minute fair value gap or whatever. And then see how it reacts from there, and then boom, now you have a unicorn in that. Like, you're probably gonna get a nice setup, a nice move from it.
I mean, this is damn. This is true. Take this off. Clean up these charts.
I mean, this is so ugly.
I mean, holy shit, what was this?
All right, there you have your changes stated delivery.
I mean, yeah, we gapped up on Friday to Sunday, and we left that gap. I'm cleaning up the charts here. Cleaning up the charts.
It's very weird looking here. Very weird.
I mean, we might have a daily breaker here.
Smart.
Where's he at on the 1 minute in this gap? What gap is this?
This is a 4 hour. And it looks like wow, the 1 minute sometimes when you zoom out of the 1 minute, it's fucking crazy. Because like that's also the thing, like when you're on the 1 minute, you gotta realize that you're on the 1 minute. There's so much noise where it has to, you gotta make sure it's really aligned with like at least like the 15 minute. That's why it's like so worth waiting. Like you kind of have to, you gotta wait for like certain 15-minute things to happen. Or like,
I even think I mean, you can wait. I guess if you're really being specific on your entry, but basing it 15.5.
I mean, I use all of them. I'll go to from the fucking daily, but like, especially on the 1 minute, you it's different because you're catching like a very small portion of it. So it's like your alignment should be like, I feel like more fixated. Yes, like the higher, of course, daily, whatever, but like the hourly 15-minute. Here's this little breaker, but this is like chop here.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a piss real quick.
I don't think I'm gonna trade this. Yeah, this is about to turn right around. It really, holy shit.
It's still down here in the same area?
Oh yeah, I mean look, this is the 4 hour, this is the next day. Cause I skipped it. I didn't like the price action. I'm like, nope. No. Wow. I mean, look at these inefficiencies on the 15. A nice little retracement would be nice. So let's see, 4 hour straight obliteration. You're getting a low reaction from this fair value gap. But the chart is like showing you that it wants to take this out. But the hourly.
Maybe a retrace up into the higher one, or it may not even need to.
Yeah, I guess you can see. Okay, so this is good, right here, because I would like lower, but man, this fair value gap. You're in this discount. That's the thing. So let's see how it reacts here. I'm gonna keep it on the 15. No, let's go to the 1 now. Let's see if this turns into a breaker. Oh, it sure does. Wow, this is really heavy. Just a complete rejection.
Right off the midpoint.
Here's the problem. You're in a SIBI. This is where you gotta be like mindful. Because if it wants to turn around and keep going into the premium, it's gonna do it here. You know?
And look at that inefficiency to the upside though.
Yeah, so like it's a little scary. And you're in like a pretty deep discount. So a short here in this 15-minute SIBI is a no-go. Even though I like this breaker, because you are tapping into this breaker here. Which is a unicorn on the hour. See?
Yep.
And also, let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna short it in this upside fair value gap here.
What time is this right now?
103. Okay, respecting the midpoint. Oh wow, dying out. Yep, send it lower. This thing is an absolute piece of dust. Here's a low inversion. Ugh. Wow, look at this. Is it gonna die from here? Oh my god.
Whoa.
Here's a low breaker. Now this is a breaker. Right in here. Stop here. If you want to go higher, you see what I mean? Like these right here.
Yep. I mean, you could long in that gap in the breaker.
Well, let's see what it looks like on a 5 minute. Send it up. I kind of want to hit it here. So let's go back to the 15 minute. Oh yeah, send it to premium. Where should we do it? Right here. Stop under. Here. Where's our take? Look at this take. I don't care.
Wow.
I mean, what do I care? The market's fake.
It's algorithmic. It's
I mean, I don't need all that, but
I mean, give it a shot.
because what's this consequent encroachment over here? What's this?
It's a 2.
Oh, so 1 hour Sibby.
Mikey Sips.
So let's do the middle of it. Put in a trade. Do we like this?
Let's see.
Entry, order filled.
Expand.
Ooh, this flat bottom is scaring me here. Mikey break even?
Oh, hold on. Let's see. Break even here? I don't know.
Did it?
Now you're break even.
Right,
Break
I
even.
forgot you're late. I might trim a little here too, right? It's pretty nice. Right in here.
Yeah, well, you're in that imbalance, so I would trim.
What are we thinking? Half?
I would trim 50% right there.
Break,
How many losses he had?
break even?
Oh, this is NAS 100. That's right. I always forget that. Like, holy shit. Now he's break even. Did we get it? Oh, man, you got Jimmy Star. It's fine, though. So, hey, you know,
Look, and you would have got completely stopped. I knew them lows were scaring me. I was like, fuck that.
I mean, hey, though, at least that's the thing too. It's like you can look for targets. I saw somebody today. They had a long and they just target by just filling the imbalance.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we're up 4,500. I'll hit one more. Keep saying that.
I mean, I'm ready.
I mean, I've been backtesting all day. This is insane. Holy schluchit. Alright. Yeah, and who was it? Yeah, Kane. He was like, and it's true, it's a good point. He was like, when you're in a trade, he was like, everyone wants to look at, like, especially like when it's going up, I guess when you can go break even or whatever, like why the trade, like everyone will look at like why the trade should pan out, but won't also look at the opposite approach of why it couldn't.
Yeah.
And operating from that end as well.
I mean, I like it because it's like what would make you're viewing like at this level, what would cause it to not, but then you also want to get in trades where like your probability is so high that it's hard to find an argument against your position.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this little end of day dump.
Smart.
What's he got?
I don't know. I can't analyze. Could. I mean, you got this daily low sweep. I mean, time to just send this thing back up. I mean, what else doesn't want? What is this? This is a weekly sweep. I was wondering if it was going to hit these. It definitely did. He said Brian's mad funny. He said, I'm getting the belt.
So we had the belt out.
Holy shit.
Let's go. He was gonna belt that kid.
He said you're gonna see on the news, kid beats up kid.
Small kid beats up another small kid.
He said, and like New Jersey's like a blue state. He was like, I don't know how you feel about that. He was like, and Lanto was like trying to like avoid it, and he was like, come on, Lanto. He's like, I've heard you say some crazy things. He's like, yeah, I don't talk politics on the street. He was like, yeah, I mean, I don't know, like the libs like.
She's like, yeah, some of the libs stuff.
He said, yeah. He was like, I don't really get it.
Behind it. I mean, come on.
You hear that, anyone in the stream? Sometimes you gotta tell them the truth.
I mean, I love it. You gotta tell them the libs are stupid.
You gotta tell them they're in cuckoo land.
Libs are cookies, though. Bunch of degenerates.
Oh my god, that's mad funny.
She said, I don't know about something. Holy shit, the United States credit rating?
What's that?
Moody's downgrades U.S. credit rating to AA1 from AAA.
I don't even know what that means.
Okay, here we go.
شو خطفة واحد بيمهلا شو خطفة واحد بيه شو خطفة وتخلشا هذا على شا
AA1 credit rating is a high quality rating signifying very low credit risk and a strong ability to meet financial. It's the second highest rating after AAA and is considered an investment grade rating.
Who did that? Chat.
Moody's, it's like an investment firm. They rate credit.
I think we go higher here.
Wow, I wish we could trade the valuation right now because this short would have been incredible. Well, risk looks like perfect time to announce it. They filled a little bit of a gap. They got out their liquidity and they said, "Oh, perfect."
Here's a breaker. Look at this scam right back up. Yep, this is an easy long. Target, and look at these flat bottom flat tops. What's this?
Bring up the stream. Where's the stream?
This is an easy one right here, in my opinion.
Oh, these are my favorites.
What?
An inversion, reclaim inversion.
An inversion with the break here. Well, here's what we got, right? Number one on the daily, okay? We swept this low. And this, which is equal lows here. Right here. They got swept.
Yep.
You're now seeing a nice push up from it, which is expected.
Well, what low is that? Are those daily lows or is there a weekly low that was swept?
Yeah.
I had to bring it up on the bigger monitor over here. Oh man.
Weekly equal lows swept. That's
Monthly lows swept then for sure with those over there. Yep. Long.
monthly equal lows swept. Right here.
Oof.
Okay, go to the 4 hour. Only thing is, right, it's like it's not in it, which is good. It's near this 4 hour fair value gap. Drop down to the hour. We just got, okay, here's like the sweep. Okay, kind of some bullshit inversion here. Okay, nice, some chop. Which kind of makes sense because you have that massive sweep, but then you also have this 4 hour like breaker, actually, like unicorn. So it's kind of makes sense. It's like coiling here to like just rip through a direction, like just be like, you know what, fuck this breaker and unicorn, we're disrespecting you. I think it's gonna do that to the upside because then also you got this massive imbalance here at the least.
And you had the fake out wick on this 1 hour.
This.
Like 4 candles ago. No, in this 4 hour above. You see that wick?
Yeah.
Down, we ripped it into that order block down there.
This.
Now we're going through it. Yup, and then that next candle's wick, boom, right into the order blocks.
Yeah. So what I did was I then went to the 15 and I said, okay, we're going to go higher into here. I think this is my draw. And this is kind of smooth up here, but I'm not looking to go up here. So now we have this 15 minute that I marked. I say, okay, this is like what I'm talking about. I'm like, okay, I don't see it going lower at all. Like we swept the weekly, that monthly, whatever. Here's this 15 minute. Also, you have a change in stated delivery.
Yep.
Okay, so now boom, on the 1 minute, here it is. Here's your first unicorn. I want to get it early. This is the earliest you can get it. And if you want to even be safe, you can put your stop. Would the stop need to go any lower?
I think we're gonna take out more than that high.
Yeah, but look, if my stop is here, this is a 2.5 hour trade.
Right.
And it's
You don't even need more.
no. And if I get if I get it quote unquote easy 2.5 hour trade, like fuck yeah. And it's right under the 4 hour consequent encroachment. Should I?
Yeah, look, it already played around in there. Yep.
I don't know if it's gonna.
That's a tight stop, but hey.
I know I'm just doing it under the breaker. I mean, I can give it a little more. But for what though? Why? What would this difference be?
2.2 versus 2.56.
How many points is this? 18, right?
It'll tell you 18 point stop.
All right. Let's do it. It's a tight stop, but the unicorn, that's the point of the unicorn.
Place trade, place trade.
Stopped right away.
Wait, what?
Stopped right away.
No way. Wait, hold on.
All good, all good.
Wait a minute. Wow. This is gonna go now?
Look at the bodies respecting this. I still like this. It just filled it completely. Now it's going back up. I like it. Now you have this breaker. This is nice too. It swept all this in here. Propel. I think there's a long. Still.
Yeah, I would log it. Same target.
Think I can get it a little lower?
Oh, it's all day 117. I guess that's the risk.
I'll try.
Right there. Oh, this is 1.9 is basically new. Come on. Is anybody in here? Somebody say something. Alright, he's in.
It's ugly. Oh, it's getting ugly. Oh, come on. I don't know about this.
No, we're gonna see some expansion.
What do you think here? You think cut it or let it rock?
2 p.m. expansion, 2 minutes away.
We're in the macro. Is it really? Let's look here. Fit back to the 15 minute. Oh man, why is it doing this? It inverted it.
Yeah, but then look at the buy up in this candle.
I know, but why did it invert it?
I've seen some fake inversions recently.
So let it rock?
I mean, you can move your stop. If you want to risk less, you can move your stop below that black wick that it just formed before. Here's the expansion, I'm telling you. Midpoint, expand. Expand. Expand.
Stopped.
Oh my god. Wait, I want to see what happens. Keep going.
Chop, just straight chop. Chop in this whole area.
Now it goes. Nope, that 15-minute FEG is no fucking joke.
Wow, look at it. What did I mark here? I had a feeling to close it.
You're right. That's my fault. It's my fault. That one doesn't count. You gotta delete that.
You can't. I'm the one who pulled the trigger. It doesn't work like that.
I don't know. I really think you would, even if it just swept out again. But
When I seen that other inversion, I should have just closed it. Reassess. That's on me.
what else we got here?
Next trade. It's fine. It's on me. See, that's the shit. Keeping the arsenal. That's the shit you journal, even though I don't journal.
I would love for if ICT had like a Q&A one time of like you had to pay money to submit it. I would do it. Just spends at least 5 minutes talking about it.
Wow, a lot of bullshit in this area.
This is the hourly.
You could have kind of avoided it by saying, you know what, there's a lot of chop in this area. I'm good. But, man, we just swept such a crucial level. I mean, look at this on the 15 now. Look at this rocket expansion. Took out London session. Back into the premium right where I said. I mean, the bias is fucking... I'm smacking him on the PM.
It's nice. He's nice with the PM. The PM, that's his spot. That's his spot. I gotta backtest AM. You gotta do PM.
Smart.
I gotta backtest the first presented halam gap.
I mean, I've been doing this all day. I'm about to be done.
He's done.
I think now we see a little fucking...
I have to get on.
Possibly a little retracement here.
Look.
Into this 4-hour fair value gap. Took out, what do we take? London high, 15 minute. Okay, let's see here. This is so overly extended. We're looking for shorts.
Next week we're collapsing on the real charts.
Yep, that's what I'm thinking. Right at the midpoint, go ahead, give me a breaker. Double sweep, whatever you gotta do. Here we go. Okay, die. No. Let's see where we're at here. Let's bust it down real quick. Ultra extendo mode on the 15 minute. Wow, this just got real bullish.
Reclaim the midpoint of the gap.
This got real bullish here.
We have any relative. Oh, Asia highs the draw.
Mark it long.
Asia highs the draw.
Mark it long.
I can't mark it long.
I'm just fucking around. Yeah, Asia high. That's nice. Let's see ES. Okay.
Asia high the draw. Mikey draw. Mikey market.
A nice low, a nice little retracement first. Like, look at this ridiculousness. Come on.
Yeah, it might even actually come back down to the midpoint. Maybe. I don't know if it's going to retrace anything down in there, especially because it's reclaiming that gap. Let it play out. Let it play out.
I think it's gonna start struggling.
Up the top of it. A little bit. We're going to come lower.
Okay, took the top.
Another touch. Yep. Okay.
Yeah, this is just bullish. It's just out of here.
Fair value gap entry there. Yep. There it is. That was a fair value gap entry. Oh.
Yeah, it is out of here.
Still in profits off that original entry.
Here he goes. He's logging. It's too high in the premium though.
Right there, 13,460.
But I feel like sometimes what you gotta avoid is like, even, okay, your draw is like higher. Like, we're so extended, you can't long that.
Yeah, you'd have to take.
That's why it's like long in a discount, short in a premium. It's such a basic concept, but it's so like.
It's true.
Go ahead, breakdown.
No, No, I'm telling you.
Now you might catch a short here. I'm not touching it, but let's see.
Yeah, that short. Right up there, the inversion with the poke in the 1 minute. Boom.
Yeah, I would want this
You
one.
already had your draw right there. Boom.
I don't know. I don't think this one.
No, that one. Look higher.
Here?
Inversion on the 1 minute up high.
This right here.
No, up.
This?
All the way up. Up.
Here?
No. Yeah, that. And then look at the where you trace to it. And then short. And then you had tight wrist.
You didn't invert it though. This is gambling.
I don't know. I don't know.
No, we didn't. Look, I'm showing you.
Ah, here he goes. Now he doesn't count it.
It's not. Look. High. 5199. 519.99. Body close. 520.39. It's higher.
I don't know if we swept any higher time.
And plus this, I'm not doing any. I can.
Inversions and fair value. Not doing.
Not for the entry. I'm looking at it for like confluence, but I'm doing unicorns.
That's it. All right, it's fair. I missed the inversion by a tick.
But you're missing this right here.
What's this?
It's a fair value gap.
Hold on.
A baby one.
Oh, I didn't even see that. I gotta make this full screen. My fucking eyes are getting cooked.
Right in where the breaker is. Because here's the breaker. Right here. Fair value gap. That's the closest one in it. Especially if you think it's going to reject from it. You limit right here. Bink. Stop here. Or higher because you're in a fair value gap. So higher.
Stop right there.
And now you go. But this is after 5. I'm trying not to, or 3. I'm trying not to take trades in that.
He's not doing it. That's fair. It's fair.
I don't know. It's just how I'm backtesting it. I'm doing the Brian 1 to 3. That's it. I mean, he's a G. He's making 200 racks a month. I mean,
That little kiss fucking. He's got more money than the entire street.
for real, dude is a legend. All right, let's see here. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Oh my God, look at this rejection. Where the fuck is this going? What was going on in 2022?
How are we? Hold on.
Wow, send it down. I mean, this thing is going to IPO. Oh, anyone in the chat here? What's going on? I mean, this was.
What's going on here? What happened?
It got fucking wrecked. Four hour. Oh my God, where is this going? This is ugly. Is it going to really take out all these lows? It fucking looks like it. Holy shit. Freeform, what the fuck is this?
What's he doing?
I don't know, I clicked on. Oh my God, this is terrible.
Sell in May and go away. It's May.
What?
Sell in May and go away.
What? He's making up phrases?
That's it. It's an old school phrase. Stop.
Sell in May, why May is bearish?
Well, sell in May and go away this summer.
The summer? What's he talking about? I mean, really?
Sell in May and go away. Come on, what are you talking about?
I mean, look, is it this phrase? What's it gonna do here? Is it gonna tease these lows and go higher? I mean, I'm bullish now. Look at this, desgraciado.
He's bullish now?
I mean, I'm bearish.
Wait, hold on. Let's go to the daily real quick. I need to see a little higher. I don't know what's going on.
Destruction. Tapped into here. Boom. Or this was, no. This was that low. These were the equal lows we swept. And you got this move up, and it failed to even take this daily high here.
So what do we got going on here? What do we got?
I mean, it failed. It is looking ugly. Previous day low. That's where it looks like it's heading here.
Hold on a second.
What's he marking up the chart from his side? Previous day low. That's where it's going.
Yep, I agree.
Okay, so previous day low. Only thing is you're not shorting here. You gotta wait. This would be nice in this 15-minute. Or you look for longs.
That would be great. That would be a great entry.
Or you look for some risky longs up here. Look, I'm not even kidding right here. Because you're such in a discount right now. Right into here. I'm kind of feeling like a little long right here.
Yeah, just to take that high into the gap.
Just to go to the
Nice
fifth.
swing high. Oh, that's perfect.
Right in here.
We might already got it.
No, right here. What do you mean? Entry here? Hold on, everyone relax.
Where's the entry? Where is it? Oh man, it's like, you gotta be below that weight right there. I mean, I think it's just tight, though, man.
This is?
It's tight.
It's 23 handles, this stop.
27.19.
What's he talking about? I'll put the stop right here.
It's a breakaway gap.
Right here, right at the breaker.
I don't care, do it.
No, I'm gonna give it some room here. Oh fuck. I don't think though it actually need. If it's gonna go here, it's gonna take this too. Fuck that. Let's see it on the 3-minute. What do we got here?
Probably have an inversion of some sort. Doesn't like inversions.
I'm doing right here. I'm just not back. I'm back testing one specific thing.
That's it.
Because if I start ripping with that's it. You won't catch me doing anything else. I'll forget it.
He's gonna forget what inversion.
I don't even remember what they look like. All right, I'm hitting it now. I feel like it might just run there.
Good.
With this Schlachubitz candle.
Yep. He's placing orders. Look.
So let's go. Ah,
His tag. Is he out? He got stopped?
that's right.
Oh my god, here he goes.
Wait, look. He was right with the low. Oh, God. Look at the low.
Oh, man.
He was right with the low.
It's fine. I'm okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Wow, look at it. Whoa. Oh!
What's it doing? Collapsed? Yeah, this is not good. It's a hard market right now. It's a hard market.
This is 2022. What's he talking about?
It's already the 2020s.
Hard market. It's always a hard market.
Yeah, ICT's like, yeah, we're gonna have fucking setups clean. Yeah, thanks, dude. You jinxed it. You're not gonna jinx this stuff. Holy shit.
Shlochi Khamsa. It's okay. We have some losses. It's alright. I mean, I gotta get this account to 5 bands or I can't eat. It's a punishment. שלוחת חמסה ואחד בהן השחדו Shluchi babitz. Shluchi. Shluchi. I mean, I try to hit him with the scout. Shluchi babitz. Shluchi chashad Shuchad wa chashad bi chamsed. I mean, look, it just took this low again too.
I think we have to have some type of reversal coming up soon here.
I mean, where though? It's bearish. It's going down. Short. Short. Fill
my heart with hopes and gadosh.
Look.
That's my cousin Ganush and his cousin.
I don't know what to do here. I'm lost.
I'm not going here. You're not too fast.
Too fast. I already looked at everything. You didn't see it.
I don't even like this structure. What's the day of the week? What is this?
I don't care. It's Monday. I mean, it looks like we're going down, honestly.
Skip a couple of days.
No, I can't do that. Are you going to skip a couple of days on the chart? Or you're just going to say, nah, I don't like this. I'm going to skip today, tomorrow, Wednesday. He's looking at the chart. What's he talking about?
Look at the charts every day. It's all I know.
It's going to take out this low right here. I don't care what anyone says. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Like, I'm going to play it on the 1 minute and look at it on the 15. Oh, God. I mean, here's a little breaker right here.
Is that Sai?
That's right. What? Oh, look at it. This is about to die.
Short. That's a short right there. Short.
I'm not. No, but look.
I call it short right there. I called it.
We're low.
Call it short.
We're low. It's how you get wrecked. You gotta.
You said the draw was lower. I mean, what else are you looking for? High? There you go.
I mean, it's just too low already.
Alright, play the 15. Play the 15. Collapse right here.
Did we take that one low here? Hold on. We gotta go on the daily. We're about to. This is what it's gonna take out right here.
What's he doing?
It's taking this out. I think I might just watch this one.
That 15-minute was a short, I think.
15 minute.
15-minute gap, that's just a short.
Where? What are you talking about?
Remember when I was like, hold on. Where are we?
Talking about the
No, you're
5
on the
minute?
5 minute.
It's on the 5 minute.
Yeah, when it was this gap. I was like, short.
I know, but
Let it play.
it's low. I don't know. Right back in there. Did it sweep this? Yup.
Uh-oh.
Hold on, let's see what ES did.
Oh, it's like he's doing SMTs.
I mean, what? You have to. Don't talk to me about it. It's smart. I don't care. I'll punch someone right in their ear.
I mean, I honestly think that's probably the smartest move.
Right in their ear socket. I mean, what do I care? Punch him right in the head.
Look at him. That is aggressive.
I don't care. The meat makes you angry.
He's got aggression. He's aggressive. Look at him.
Okay, we got a change in state of delivery to the upside here.
Yeah.
After this sweep. Or right? Yeah, right? Because from
AM session sweep, afternoon reversal.
I mean, the problem is just like, all right, let's see what it does here. Pretty aggressive blower. Okay, right in this 1 minute. Uh-oh, right in this breaker. This is the long right here.
I mean, you can literally log it in the gap right here at this level, like mark it long.
Yeah.
Where's the draw? I would just fill that 15-minute gap, or at least the midpoint.
Right in the beginning of it. We don't need to get greedy.
Can't get greedy. Can't do it.
I just want payouts. I don't want greed.
You just want to spray. I mean, I love it.
That's a fire line. I just want payouts. I don't want greed.
You mean you don't want greed? I want payouts.
I don't want greed. I want payouts. 3 minute. I'm about to. The stop is kind of scaring me a little bit. Like, what is he really putting the stop here, Brian? You know what's a little ugly? These right here.
Yeah, look at those flat bottom candles.
Oh, it's scaring me.
This is on NAS 100, though. I guarantee you they have wicks on NQ. I don't know. I mean, I think it's worth. I think it's worth a shot.
Let's see here.
Like, I know you're not paying attention to the inversion, but you do have an inversion.
No, I am. I'm paying attention to the inversions. I'm just not entering off the inversions. I'm not fucking. There's no way I'm ignoring inversions. I'm not entering for this backtesting session. I'm doing strictly breakers with fair value gaps. For the entry, not for the analysis. It's of course I'm looking at inversions. This one right here.
You see that one?
The one that my marker's at.
Yeah, and then it breaks away from it.
Yeah, and then now this is a breaker here. Where's my stop going?
Below that wick low in the previous fair value gap.
Right here.
This looks like a one to. This would look like a 1-to-1 though.
Oh no, I'm smacking it. What? Take profit. I did a buy, right?
I think you mixed up the numbers.
Wait, stop loss. Okay. Oh, this is a hefty position here.
Let's see what we got.
Here you're saying?
Yeah, just to be safe.
All right, so let me do. What's the target then? I'm doing this right here. Bink. Let's see the R on this bitch. 6 to make 900. Let's see.
So that's 1.3. Oh, maybe a little more than that.
Okay, I can work with that.
Let's give it a go.
I'm risking a little too much. Amount to close. What's 1% do?
You want to do like?
I want to risk. I'm risking like 500. I just do 1%. Then it's 2% good. Let's see. Oh, I can do more. 5:47. Hold on, we gotta close more. $5.09. That's fine. Okay. Wow, stopped immediately.
No way.
Very bearish. I mean, send this thing down. Short it right here, right in this new breaker. Send it to the, literally, send it to the floor. Wow, back up, down. What is it? This is garbage. Oh my God, look at the chart.
What is this?
Look at this.
Wow.
Come on, yo.
That's why the one is noisy. The one is noisy.
That's the entry, though. Come on, man.
One is noisy.
I don't care. I'll shit right on someone.
Wow.
Oh, look at this fucking garbage. Is this a day you skip?
You're hitting the hourly replay, the hourly fast forward.
I know, because I had to get to 1 o'clock. $15-minute. I mean, what is this? Look at this now. What the fuck? Look at this. Wait, yo, this was the 15-minute. That was the exit. Look at where it's at.
Wow.
What
so,
the?
So it was early. It had to sweep more liquidity.
It did, though. You know, it swept that low, and then it kind of just went further, and then it had the right idea. Again, got the right idea again. Smart.
Something has to be going on at these levels. Like at this time of the year, whatever was going on there, because that price action is horrific.
Yeah, I mean, the past few, I kind of got dicked out a little bit. Back into this inversion. I think now we go bullish. Inverted this 4 hour, back into the inversion, filled this volume imbalance, close above. Hold on now. Mikey trades.
Come on.
What is this? Chop. Where's the liquidity here? Liquidity is Asia highs. Come on!
Let me see.
I gotta get a win and now I'm gone. That's the high. Tapped into this. What did it do on the hour? Came into this hourly fair value gap. Oof. What's it doing here though? Is it gonna want to scam lower? You gotta remember, it's always a scam.
You're always hiding one in here.
Scam. You got this close above. Nah. It's gotta go here. If it's gonna go, it's gotta fucking go. Respect of this 15-minute. Okay, not bad. Not bad. A little chopped out. A little fucking garbage. I don't know here. Wow.
Was he looking at the one?
Yeah. You're gonna probably get this 5-minute inversion. It's a lot of chop in here, but I feel like coiling up to just. Look at this below though. It's a little scary. What's he eating?
I picked up mainland.
Let's go. Oh, you ordered something besides dumplings?
What?
You got something besides dumplings?
Yeah, she got me this mind rolling beef.
Damn, them dumplings are fire. Here's the thing, though.
The dumplings are the best.
On this 4 hour, the 4 hours king. You got this inversion, and now you got to tap back into it, which also went into this volume imbalance. So you got this hourly in, and it's kind of chopping. Like, does it want to come one more sweep into here?
Yeah, look at it. I don't know.
But then then again, it swept into it a few times. Look at the bodies like staying above. I don't know. I think from here it just might go. Pew.
I think it would expand because you do have a lot of price action in this previous area.
Okay, 5 minute boom. Now we have
Inversion.
yeah, like inversion, both kind of like very chop here, but it's all right. It's gonna expand. Expand.
I like it here. I like it.
Now, like you could kind of like in this 1 minute inversion, you could kind of look at this entry right here. Is that crazy?
Wow. Again, I don't know.
I mean, it is Chop City. It is kind of at this like breaker
I
here.
mean, yeah, screw it. Try to put it in there.
I don't want to screw it. I want to get a good entry. Or I could. Okay, let's see what time it is. Hold on. This is maybe what we can do here. What time? When is this? Okay, so this 5 minute just started. Yeah, let's see, because we wanted to invert it. 1, 2,
It's only one.
3, 4, 5. Did it invert it? No. No inversion. Here's a fair value gap.
Great. Okay. Yep. Oh, that was the entry right there. That fair value gap.
I know, but you're kind of like chasing a bit. Because it's at the top of this. I don't know. I feel like that's how you kind of get wrecked more often than not.
Yeah, it's a little risky there.
That's why I'm not doing it. You got to protect.
What's he doing?
Because now look. Because again, price I like to go premium, discount, premium, discount, discount, premium, whatever.
Span?
There it is. Taking out. Let's see here if we can get a little reversal or anything. Okay, took out Asian high into this 15-minute fair value gap. Order block. Short.
Oh, hold on. Wait a second.
What happened?
You don't know yet. You don't know.
I'm just kidding. But I'm not really kidding. I would kind of start to anticipate of a bit of a reversal. It took Asia highs into this fair value gap. Also into this order block. That's 3
3 PD raise.
bearish things. 15-minute order fair value gap here. Let's go to the 5 minute because it might leave that in that area of Chop City. Let's see here. Let's see. Could look for a short. We need the confirmation anyway, so it doesn't matter. Double sweep. Come on, give me a double sweep before the breaker. Already?
He's got it.
Draw was met. There was no entry, but 15-minute fair value gap. That's the move. I'm getting in tune. I don't care. Take a few losses. What is going on here? Look at it now. Just back down. Back down. Pick a fucking direction. We just reversed that whole fucking thing. Look at this shit.
What is this?
That's why you never know with these fucking charts. Look, just inverse this 15-minute. Now you have a fucking BPR to the downside. What the fuck? It's chop. Chop, chop, chop. But we avoided a loss. That's what's good here. Like I'm avoiding like bullshit.
Patience is a key.
Even okay, certain days, 2 days you don't trade. Like who fucking cares? What if those 2 days you took 2 losses, 3 fucking 4 losses? That could fuck your shit up, especially with the prop game.
Man, props are probably killing it right now.
Yeah, I'm not touching this. I kind of want to see what it does though. I think it's gonna go higher back into this 15. Yep. Into the BPR, what's it do now? Is it gonna use a consequent as support? Or is it gonna blast down through it? Oh, it's using it as support.
Oh, right there. That was the entry. 1 minute FEG off the midpoint.
I know, but are you really just okay? Yo, boom, right there. That's what you're doing. Why?
Because
What if you waited though? What if you waited for this 15 minutes to close? See if it inverts it. All you gotta do is wait 3 more minutes.
okay, play it. Play the 3 more minutes.
No inversion. Because again, this just inverts this extremely heavily here. You see? So why would you just long that here? That's what I mean. That's how you're gonna get fucking wrecked.
Yeah, quick, come back deeper.
If you longed it there, it's like it literally it took this. Look on the 15 took the Asia high into these fair value gaps into this order block. You got a massive reaction from it. Inverse this 15 minute, which is now BPR, comes back into it. All you got to do is wait 3 more minutes to see if it inverted it. It doesn't. So now it could just completely die from here.
Let's see what we get.
Look, dies. Can't do that. Gotta be smart. You would have got stopped. Cause now look where you're trying to long for like no reason.
Gotta start looking at the 3 and the 5.
Plus, what were you even targeting? It just took Asia highs.
We probably then come way deeper into that gap.
What is he talking about? Can't just be like, oh, that's it. It's touching the consequent. I'm longing.
Can't do it.
No. It just fucking flew down, inverted this shit. You gotta wait. Look at it. It's getting wrecked right now. This is way after hours. Next silver bullet. Next silver bullet. You wanted a long there.
Hold on, zoom out. Go to the daily.
Hold on, let me get to 1. What's he doing? He's got to lock in. He can't be just fucking clicking buttons here. Dailies. Mikey clicks. I mean, we're like chopping almost on the daily. Like, what the fuck is this?
That's what I mean. Look at that back and forth in there. It's like in a volume imbalance.
There's got to be, what's going on here? They got the yearly chart.
The monthly.
The monthly looks like it's ready for a little reversal here. I mean, come on. Back up into here. I mean,
Yeah.
we just need 1 candle in here.
I mean, one candle.
That's what this one did.
I can't believe that this company downgraded the treasuries to AA1. It used to be AAA.
Okay, so it took that high first,
Oh, look, it did dig deeper into that gap.
and now in the AM it completely plummeted. into these fair value gaps on the 15-minute. Now, look, it tapped in here. Okay, so let's mark this. I'm bullish now. $15-minute FVG. What's going on with the 5-minute? We're gonna pay.
These are all inversions.
I don't care. I'm just marking it up. This is like. See, one more minute. This hourly will close, right? If I do one more minute. Yeah. Wow. Very strong.
I hate price action that looks like this.
What? Like
look to the left.
yeah, it's barcode. But we're kind of past that. We're like, this is like a range now. Now this is just like liquidity. So like we're past that. We broke out of that now. We plummeted.
Pre-market highs the draw.
Right here. Yeah, right. Yeah. Well, here's the thing. Like this is what I'm trying to like keep doing is like if I'm longing, I want to be like in a discount. Or if I'm like kind of above a discount, I want like a good reason for me to still get involved.
Yeah, at this point though, look at the reversal. Most of the reversal move has been made earlier in the day.
Yeah, but why can't it sweep internal liquidity, come in here, and then take it out?
It could.
It loves scamming people. Watch, you're at this. This is like OTE too. Like, price is gonna.
Yeah, I mean, we're in the premium of this.
Yeah,
range.
like, exactly.
So there's anything that you could do.
He wants a short?
We can see how price reacts.
It's pretty bull. I mean, let's see. Just took out AM high. Here's for the inversion fucking gods.
That could be something.
I'm not touching it. Watch, double sweep. Here we come. Nope.
Oh, dude. We might have to
What'd I say?
look at the 3.
No, you would have probably been out by then anyway. 3-minute. That's nice. This 15-minute kind of scares you though.
Yeah, this is very bizarre.
I mean, it does tap into it, and I feel like when you get a tap and it just quickly leaves it, like it can be gone. Like a lot of times it'll be like, nope, we're gone.
A lot of the BPRs, they will, depending, like if there's multiple, the early ones, usually that's like the BPR, there's no need for a price to revisit.
Yeah, especially when it looks like a bullet. I used to think,
Look at that lower one, that's just like,
I thought he would call it the silver bullet because I would notice like sometimes around 10, like you would see like this bullet.
yeah, big moves, big runs.
It'd be like down, skinny, 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 open up a little bit. It looks like a bullet. Maybe that is why he's not telling anyone. I mean, you're going to have this 5, no, rebalanced. I mean, you could have looked here. Let's see in here. What did it do? Came in.
I'm gonna put the volume up. Let me wash my hands, let me wash.
I mean, I need to eat. I haven't eaten anyway.
Let me wash them, hold on.
Session high taken. High taken here. Are we gonna go for PM? Yes, we are. It's already done. It's taken. Cat.
What's this?
Scam.
Hold on now. Hold on. Wait, is that a wick to the downside on the 1 minute?
Yeah, look at this scam. Cleared those equal lows real quick. Said, yeah, fuck you, idiots.
Come on, Jimmy.
Took it. No inefficiencies either. Except for, let's see here what goes on. Whoa, big move down. Big move down. Whoa, hold on now. Let me see this cat. Look at this dog. She makes mad noise.
They cleaned her teeth. Knocked out her teeth clean, so they had to give her anesthesia to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Look, they shaved their fucking legs. Look at this thing.
What the fuck?
She looks retarded.
Her fucking. Arr.
Thing starts talking. I swear, there's that thought. Alright, what do we got here?
I mean, we got. Look at this. Took out them highs. Boom, mega dump.
Where's the 15 at?
What?
Shit, I'm in full screen.
15. It tapped. It actually tapped into this.
What time is this right now?
207 macro. I kind of want to short it in here if it comes back.
Oh yeah, this is a short.
But here's the thing. It did already wick into this 15 minute. But
Yeah, but look at those gaps below.
well,
It's more of a gap.
right.
Oh man, I don't know about this fucking.
Here's the thing. I mean, this is higher than the breaker, so this is probably a breakaway. We'll see. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna get a fill in it, to be honest. Maybe. Oh man, this stop is fucking ginormous. What?
Oh god.
Look at this. Oh god.
What happened? What happened? It did it? Wow. I mean, take the 2R.
Hold on. What are we thinking here?
I don't know about it going.
Hold on. Let's see. Hold on.
Let it play out. Let it play out for a second.
What's he talking about?
Sometimes you gotta watch it. After a move like this, you gotta watch it. We're gonna be watching candles like in a huge gap too. We gotta think about it like we're watching price move. It gives you more information.
Right.
Oh man, we should have longed with when it went to 30 cents.
Okay, here's the long right here. Okay, this is even. This is a breakaway now. So hold on.
That's the short.
This is right here. Stop here now. Okay,
You could actually short in here.
that's exactly what I'm doing.
You got too many contracts. Hold on.
No, I don't.
You gotta do 16.
I can always hold on.
That's not there.
What do you mean? It's above the breaker. It's what I'm doing here. Let me get rid of some of these. I don't want to risk that much. That's fine. Where would this stop be? I mean, this should be a breakaway gap here.
Yeah, you're right.
This breaker should hold it down.
You're right.
And now look, I don't even need it to do nothing. All I needed, look. All it needs to do is take out the load just made. That's a joke.
You're right.
Oh. Oh, stopped. Stopped, low taken out.
Oh, yeah, that was a little too tight.
Yeah, but honestly, like, then where? Because where in the fair value? Above the consequent, I guess you can do?
Yeah.
I'm doing the breaker. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, then you also got to look at like what around it with the breaker. Because look, the trade was great. The stop was like a little tight. That's it.
Whatever, you get stopped.
It shouldn't even come back to the midpoint, right? ICT says that.
Okay, we adjust.
It's alright. It's alright. It's a good precision practice for. This is why we got the FX replay. Gotta keep using this. Oh, what's up? We go outside?
What is this chart, yo? What is this chart? Look at this hourly now. Look at what it did. It.
My evals would have been done.
Why?
In this environment? What is this?
Look, this is the 15-minute.
This news related? Like,
This was the 15-minute. Look at it. Boom. Ew, what the fuck is this?
you know,
I'm skipping this year.
what is this? I don't remember seeing anything like that. I wasn't even looking at it.
Oh my god. I don't even know where to begin. I mean, 4-hour low taken, I guess.
What is this daily? I mean, what is it? This is ridiculous.
Daily. It's just literally consolidating. Is it gonna fly from here? Or is it just gonna? I feel like it actually is gonna just keep going lower. With this is ugly.
After that move?
Yeah. Let's see here. I mean, it is so inefficient though, like. Give me a little 1-minute scam setup. I feel like this could be a long right here.
Up here now?
Yeah, right in here.
Well, there's a breaker.
Right.
What's up with a breaker and then a reclaimed order block?
What does that mean?
I don't know. He has a video on reclaimed order blocks.
It's a little 5-minute play here. Let's see here. I mean, this is just so inefficient. Like something,
That down move is catastrophic.
like a little something higher, like makes sense. Okay, here's an hourly high. Yeah, there's an hourly fair value gap in this breaker, so you definitely want to be out. But it's such in a discount that I'm just gonna look for like a little rebalance higher. Here, essentially, like in here, like just a little long up here, up into here.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm in a discount. I just want to log into the rebalance. So
What the fuck? I don't even know if I've.
so let's see it on the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm gonna just hit this 5 minute stop under the breaker, but I'm gonna do under this fair value gap here. That's good. You know? Because it shouldn't, like, here's a double bottom. It shouldn't, like, come and do a triple.
Right, and then you had a 5 minute inversion breakaway.
Yep.
Be the breakaway.
Mhm.
I think it can come back into this gap. I mean, that's like ideal ICT. That's what would happen.
Now it's in this one, though. So, and here's actually a better breaker. On the 5 minute, or on the 5 minute, it's in this fair value gap, right? And then on the 1 minute, so you can drop, or you can also, Brian does this too. He'll use like a 5 minute and still drop down to the 1 minute. Here's your breaker. This is like a stronger breaker too. This is like right at the top of the move.
That's probably the entry.
1 minute. I mean, you're in it. Stop here. I'm hitting it. I can even do it here. Under the breaker, under the little order block.
Yeah, I mean I would hope that would hold.
Or should I have it a little tighter?
I don't know. This price action is so like bizarre.
Let's see where that is on the 5 minute. This is the inversion though. It's not good. It should not come down here. Yeah, this is perfectly fine.
Yeah, that shouldn't come down there.
So let's do it. Yeah, right where it's at. A little smidge because of this little breaker. Let's see where that is on the 1 minute. Okay. Now let's see. Where was that 15 minute? Or no, it was the hour, wasn't it? It was the hour. Right up in here. That's good. Let's see here. Stop.
What the fuck?
I'm getting
Is it
slow.
gonna, did it really come back? What's it gonna do from here?
It's gonna die.
Wow.
Huh. Man, I was ripping. So what's going on here? I was ripping it. And now I'm just like, nah.
Maybe directionally, we're aiming to take out another swing low.
I don't know, but all I know is I got it.
Frame, this is. What the fuck is this?
I don't know, but I gotta go eat. I'm starving.
He's out.
Yeah.